Almagic Whiskey Infusion Kit. Comprehensive kit includes complete tools and various ingredients. Pour your whiskey into an empty bottle. Add wood chips and ingredients into the bottle to infuse the whiskey. There are various types of wood chips and ingredients. You're able to create many flavors. Seal the bottle. Gently shake the bottle. Tag is included. Write down the info to help you remember. After several days, pour the infused whiskey to another empty bottle and filter out the ingredients. Seal the bottle and put back the tag. Enjoy yourself infused liqueur now.